Imagine a world where the seasons seem out of sync, where the winters are too warm and the summers are unbearably hot. Sounds like a plot for a dystopian novel, doesn't it? But what if I told you this could be our reality due to the climate crisis? The climate crisis, also known as climate change, refers to the long-term phenomenon of significant alterations in Earth's weather patterns. Many attribute these changes largely to human activities that release vast amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases trap the sun's heat, causing a rise in global temperatures, which profoundly impacts the climate, ecosystems, and communities worldwide. The primary culprits behind climate change are greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These emissions stem from human activities such as burning fossil fuels like oil, gas, and coal for energy, deforestation, and intensive agriculture. Now, these changes in our climate don't just stop at hotter summers or milder winters. The climate crisis has a host of negative impacts on the planet and its inhabitants. We see a gradual increase in global temperatures, leading to more frequent and severe extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, and floods. Changes in precipitation patterns can lead to droughts in some areas and intense rainfall in others. This shift affects freshwater availability and agricultural production. Rising temperatures are causing the accelerated melting of glaciers and polar ice caps, contributing to sea level rise. The melting polar ice and thermal expansion of the oceans are causing sea levels to rise, threatening coastal communities and marine biodiversity. Moreover, terrestrial and marine ecosystems are suffering, potentially leading to species loss and disruption of food chains. Climate change can also affect human health through vector-borne diseases, extreme heat conditions, and disruptions in food security. But all is not lost. We can take steps to mitigate and adapt to these changes. Mitigation involves actions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions like transitioning to renewable energy sources, enhancing energy efficiency, and reforesting. Adaptation involves preparing for the inevitable climate changes, such as building climate-resilient infrastructures and implementing early warning systems. So what can we do to combat the climate crisis? The answer lies in each of us. Make conscious choices. Opt for public transport or carpooling instead of driving. Choose renewable energy sources wherever possible. Limit waste and recycle. Plant trees. Every small action adds up. Remember, we have only one Earth, and it's up to each of us to protect it. The time to act is now. Let's not wait until it's too late.